Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Scoot's Word Academy. I'm Miss Dana. Scoot's not with me. I know, I cannot find him this morning. In fact, the only other person, or rather thing, in the studio with me is this fellow right here. Like, I have never seen this person before in my life. I'm a little concerned. But you know what? Now that I think about it, like this face, it's kind of an odd face. And our word today is facade, which looks a lot like face. Do you think there could be some sort of similarity between face and facade? Let's worry about that, and then we'll figure out where Scoot has gone to this time. So, this guy, we'll call him Mr. Face for now because I don't know what else to call him. He's going to help us discover the meaning of facade today. The first way to think of a facade is actually the face of something. See, there is a connection between face and facade. So, let's talk about the face of a building, the outward appearance of something. Here, I would say that they are working on the facade of this house. They are repairing the facade. In the Old West, you would see many buildings that had a facade, as in a fake front. The front would be something very stylized and nice, and it might be actually hiding or concealing the store behind it. We can also use facade in a way that doesn't have to do with buildings. It can mean somebody's appearance. So, you see how this guy's wearing a mask or a false face? Well, it's kind of concealing what he actually looks like, who he actually is. So, if a person has a facade or is wearing a facade, doesn't necessarily mean a mask. It might mean that they are smiling when they actually feel very sad. Okay, so they are wearing the facade of cheerfulness, and it is concealing what is behind that, the sadness that they actually feel. So, facade can have to do with a building or with a person. To delve a little bit deeper into the idea of a person wearing a facade, it could mean that you are concealing your true feelings. It could also mean that you are tricking somebody, that you are being duplicitous. So let's say that you are pretending to be compassionate towards somebody who's going through a hard time, but actually you're like, I don't really care. I'm just pretending to care. You are wearing a facade. If you're trying to trick somebody and maybe steal money from them, you might give the facade of honesty and trustworthiness when really you are anything but. So a facade can conceal your true personality and or your intentions. A facade can be a false front, like of a building. It can also be a veneer. Those are two synonyms for facade. The antonym of a facade or of a false front or a veneer would be authenticity. If something or someone is authentic, well, what you see is what you get. It is not a facade. Have you ever been really nervous before something like a recital or a presentation or maybe a spelling bee? Well, if you appeared confident outwardly and nobody knew you were nervous, well, you were wearing a facade of confidence. So here's Maria. She has a piano recital. We could say, despite Maria's confident facade, she was actually very nervous before her piano recital. We can also wear a facade in a very insincere way. This is Brian. He disrespected his mother. When he apologized, he pretended to be sorry for it, but it was all a facade. He actually was not sorry at all. As you might have already guessed, and as Mr. Face here obviously knows, there is a linkage between the word facade and other languages' words for face, such as Latin. It came from Latin, meaning face. It translated into French as well as Italian, meaning the front of a building. So that's how we got from the idea of a person's face or wearing a false face to the front of a building. And so here we have a combination of the two. The facade of a building is truly a facade. The facade is truly a face. I think it's time that maybe we ask Mr. Face if he has seen Scoot. I'm getting a little bit worried. How about you? Mr. Face, have you seen Scoot? Wait, you're not going to believe this. It's Scoot! It's Scoot the raccoon! He was wearing a facade. He had on a false face the entire time. Well, guess what, Scoot? I have a treat for you. I think this is going to be your new favorite building. Look at the raccoon facade. Boys and girls, we will see you next time. Bye bye.